Oh, check it out. Not only does Industry 9 make the raddest rims and hubs with the bling spokes, but they make this sick toolkit called the matchstix that fits in my front axle. It's got one side that pops off here with a wrench, a chain breaker, spoke wrench, and then the other side pops off and includes more bits, a linkage, and some other goodies. There's a whole description and list of all the tools included in this toolkit in my caption below, so you will feel prepared to go and ride in the boonies and check out places like this. Rad.